Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix 8-ball pool app out-to-back problem. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did myself is that I firstly closed the 8-ball pool app on my phone and instead I went into the settings app. So I went into the settings app and I just scrolled down in here and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general, I scrolled down in here once again and I clicked on storage in here as you can see. And then you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now what I did on this page is that I swiped up as you can see, so I can see the search bar way up top, and I clicked on the search bar in here. I just searched for 8 and quite often it's going to pop up very fast in here up top, but basically you can always search for the entire name also if you want to, if you cannot find it, and just click on the app, then click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait and then click on the blue button here once again and just wait for your 8-ball pool app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself by the way, and I just waited for the app to completely update and then I went back and I didn't have any out-to-back problem whatsoever now for a couple of weeks actually. So try this and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.